I really saw myself like being able to become someone of value. It's not just about helping people, it's about helping people move forward in life. That's really my mission. We really want to make a difference, in people's lives, not to only sell the products, but to really be part of a community, a positive community. With our Facebook groups or with our Telegram chats, people get an inspiration from the coaches, from our ambassadors, to really see what we do. We get to show and document where we are going to see some online bootcamps, some cooking classes, some breakfast club, and all of that, for example, is going to be an inspiration for our new customers. On my day-to-day basis, today, 80% of my work is really follow-up and taking people to the next level. And it's not just about weight loss or weight gain, it's really about helping people feel better, show themselves out there with a better version of themselves.